All right. Following a heated day one of the 2025 Parliament monsoon session, both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are slated to reconvene at 11 a.m. on 22nd July. The key points and topics of debates will be focused around Operation Sindoor, the heinous Pahalgam terror attack, the Air India 171 crash, Bihar electoral row, and amongst many other topics that will be discussed. Now, all eyes will be on the upcoming day 2 of the monsoon session of Parliament. So those are the details that are emerging out of this. Joining me on the telecast is Mehndi Garg. Mehndi, take us through the details that are coming in now. Day 2 of PAL session, monsoon session is set to take place as well.
Well, yes, the second day of the monsoon session in the parliament is set to resume today at around 11 a.m. With focus on, Bihar special intensive revision and also the Air India plane crash in Ahmedabad. So it is very important to note, Ria, that yesterday there was a major scuffle inside the parliament premises, and the parliament, both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, it was in a face-off because opposition was taking out matters, the 8 issues that was pointed out by the opposition early in the all-party meet as well. So there was a major scuffle yesterday which happened, and today also it is expected that on the issue of Bihar special intensive revision and also the Air India plane crash, there will be the war of words that will be exchanged between the leaders in the parliament premises. So the first day, as I mentioned, witnessed a stormy session as the Congress-led opposition also demanded an immediate discussion on Operation Sindoor as well. And later in the evening, we all saw, Ria, that how Rajya Sabha chairman and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar also resigned from his post, citing medical advice, and stated that he would prioritize his health. So his resignation was submitted late in the evening after a full day at Rajya Sabha, where he administered the office of, oath of office to 5 new entrants. So today also it will be very interesting to see, Ria, that what all issues will be taken up by the opposition and what all replies will be given by the government, because yesterday also Union Minister Kiran Rijiju and other leaders were saying that, the parliament should work in a proper manner and the scuffle and the war of words is not required. So right now, the main focus of today will be over the Bihar special intensive revision and also the Air India plane crash in Ahmedabad. Yes, Shreya.
All right, Mehndi, stay on with us. We have more developments coming in. Rajya Sabha MP from Aam Aadmi Party, Sanjay Singh has